at the Catalina Film Festival, and with Chris Candy. Your movie's premiering tomorrow night at the festival?
Exactly. We're going off tonight. It's Thursday
tonight.
night. The film's coming on 8 o'clock tonight, which is going to be great. It's a film called Bar America. It takes place up in San Francisco, you know, and it's an improv-based film. And so, you know, it was a very interesting project to kind of get into, you know, and we had a lot of fun working on it. It's great to be out here in Catalina, you know, what can I say?
Yeah, right. It's beautiful out here. We spoke briefly earlier to Michelle Boyd, one of your co-stars. So how was it working with her and so on?
Oh, Michelle's great, man. We had a lot of fun up there. You know, her and I, you know, kind of have a little bit of a relationship in the film, and so it's kind of nice to, you know, work with her on that. And the whole film is based around, you know, these two guys who have a very successful internet TV show, and they're just, it's a story about friendship and a bunch of different relationships and how they can kind of all get intermingled. And my character, you know, Charlie plays this, you know, military, you know, post-military, you know, war vet, and he's back reacclimating to life in San Francisco, and he's got this show that he puts together, and his best friend Hank, he's the host of the show, and they're, you know, kind of, you know, just kind of fumbling through it, and they happen to be, you know, up to being getting taken advantage of by the, you know, these people. Matthew Jacobs, who plays, you know, another character in the film, along with his Morgan Walsh, who she happens to be in the film, and they basically, you know, very interesting. You got to check it out. You got to.
Yeah, it sounds. No, we're definitely going to go check it out right after this interview in an hour or so.
8 o'clock.
Yeah, 8 o'clock it starts. That's great. What else is on the horizon for you? Anything new and exciting besides this? I mean, that sounds wonderful. I can't wait to see it. But what else is going on? Anything?
We've got my hands filled with a bunch of projects, but I'm been putting out this web show recently called Where's This Party, about these two Hollywood lowlifes bumping around town trying to sell a bad script. Feels a lot like right here, and you know, it feels like reality. You know, and so so I've been doing that. That's a YouTube show that I've been doing, which is a lot of fun. And then I've got that on the horizon. You know, keeping up with a radio show and playing music back in Los Angeles, and you know, just, you know, doing the hustle out in LA. So it's been good though. So
that sounds awesome. We got to check it out, definitely. I know we're always looking for new content on Prime TV network. So
yeah,
you know.
absolutely. Hey, this is a real hit. Let me tell you.
There you go. Sounds great. It sounds like a lot of fun. Well, I'm sure you get a lot, but you resemble your dad so much. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Like,
no, you know what? You said it. It
face,
happens 1,000 times.
Right.
It's happened to me for my priest. Come on, what are you talking about? It's happened to me my entire life. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Yeah, no, definitely. You know, Pops. You know, 20 years. You know,
awesome,
we're here.
Yeah.
Remembering him. You know, so.
That's true.
Yeah.
Definitely. Well, again, thank you for your time. Thanks for being here, and it was an awesome interview. Thank you.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you. And Catalina, thank you.
Live, brought to you by the Frida Cinema, Rip Horror Film Fest, It's LA Film Fest, Blackjack Rally, My Media Muse, and special thanks to Prime TV Network.